We've all got teachers. We've all been students. It's the things we learn in life that make us who we are, that prepare us for new lessons. Some lessons are more important than others. We train until the way that he moves becomes the way that we move. We don't train this just once, but together we train this for years, thousands and thousands of times. Mantis catches the cicada. It's just a technique. It's just another lesson. Though it's only been needed once, it's one of many lessons I'm glad I've learned.